Safeguarding the pristine image quality of your Sony A1 starts with a clean sensor. First, ensure your camera battery is fully charged to prevent accidental power shutoff during cleaning. Power down your Sony A1 completely, and then locate the sensor cleaning function in your camera's menu. Navigate to Setup. Then scroll down to the sensor cleaning option, select sensor cleaning and then choose clean manually. This will lock the mirror up and open the shutter, giving you access to the sensor. You'll need a dedicated sensor cleaning kit. This typically includes a blower brush and sensor cleaning swabs with cleaning fluid. Never use compressed air cans, as their propellants can damage the sensor. Begin with the blower brush. Hold the camera at the lens mount facing downwards. Gently puff air across the sensor surface. Move the brush in a sweeping motion, covering the entire area. This is usually enough to dislodge loose dust particles. If dust persists, you'll need a sensor swab. Carefully apply 1 drop of the specialized sensor cleaning fluid to the tip of a new, lint-free swab. Never apply fluid directly to the sensor. Gently wipe from one edge of the sensor to the other in a single, smooth motion. Avoid scrubbing or applying excessive pressure. Flip the swab over and repeat the process from the opposite edge of the sensor, again in a single, smooth stroke. Once dry, turn your camera back on and the shutter will close. Perform a test shot at a small aperture, like f/16 or f/22, against a bright, plain background. Review the image on your camera's LCD screen to check for any remaining dust spots. If you still see them, repeat the manual sensor cleaning process with a fresh swab and fluid. Remember to always handle the sensor with the utmost care and cleanliness, and for stubborn or oily residue, consider professional cleaning services.